the Dilly with Willy.
This is our 1923 Mercury Speedster. It's built on a 1923 Model T chassis. And the Mercury built Speedster kits. They built a total of 1,600 of them. This is serial number 1532, which makes it kind of interesting. It's one of the last ones. This car here has actually ran the Great Race from coast to coast twice prior to when we bought the car. But it's a fabulous car. It's got a radio overhead system on the engine. It's got an alternator built into it, Model A carburetor. So it's built for speed. It did have an overdrive unit in it, and I kind of decided it was a little bit too fast for the average person to drive, so the overdrive unit's in the back room and storage, but it'll still run 55 mile an hour real easy. But when you couldn't afford to buy an Auburn or a Stutz, you bought a Model T. You stripped the body off, you hopped the engine up, and you bought a Mercury Speedster Kit, which came with front suspension, which lowered the center of gravity, moved the front axle forward, done the same thing on the back, so it actually lowered the center of gravity for better road handling, and just a real fun car to drive.
And that's the Dilly with Willy. Visit the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, featuring historic cars and fashion. Quite simply, second to none.